Enjoy the vibrant, retro style of rooms and suites specially designed for fun and affordability. Relax and immerse yourself amid incredible iconic architecture inspired by the classic Florida beach resorts of the 1950s and 1960s. But before we tell you all about this resort, welcome to our channel Hotel Tips. Fernanda is the speaker, and today I'm going to talk about Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort. Wonderful place and great value for money. But now I'm going to ask you something that doesn't cost anything. Like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to stay up to date with all the news here on the channel. The resort link is in the video description. Just click and you will be directed to the booking website, the best booking site in the world and where we made all our reservations. So now let's find out everything about this wonderful resort. Enjoy the vibrant, retro style of rooms and suites specially designed for fun and affordability. Relax and immerse yourself amid incredible iconic architecture inspired by the classic Florida beach resorts of the 1950s and 1960s. Sample a variety of options in the incredible food court. Fun every day for all ages with two large pools, a lazy river pool, bowling alley, and much more. You can also enjoy the exclusive benefits of staying at Universal, including early entry to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter up to 1 hour before the parks open. Valid theme park ticket required. Every room at Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort has a 40 inches flat screen TV with cable channels. Coffee making facilities are available. Guests can choose a traditional or poolside room, as well as a spacious family suite with fully equipped kitchenette. The accommodation offers free Wi-Fi and transfers to all 3 Universal Orlando theme parks and Universal City Walk. With water slide, 10 bowling lanes, gym and games room. The resort can prepare meals for consumption on site or to go. The food court offers hamburgers, milkshakes, pizzas and sandwiches. The accommodation also houses a cafe, as well as bars in the lobby and pool area. This resort is right next to Universal's Volcano Bay and 1 mile from Universal Studios Florida, Universal's Islands of Adventure theme parks, and Universal City Walk. The resort does not accept pets. The guest rating on the booking website is 8.4, considered very good. And the daily rate starts at $180 United States dollars plus taxes and fees. What did you think of this resort? Leave your opinion here in the comments, remembering that the link to the resorts are in the video description. I hope you enjoyed today's tip, and see you next time.